6 new verbs. To work. To work. To speak. To speak. To call. To call. To work. He works a lot. He works 6 days a week. He works 10 hours a day. He is a workaholic. To speak. He speaks English. He speaks Czech. He speaks French. He speaks 3 foreign languages. Wow! To call. He often calls his friends. Do you call your friends? He always calls me in the afternoon. To study. To study. To read. To read. To write. To write. To study. He studies Italian. I study foreign languages. She studies at university. Do you study or work? To read. I read a lot of books. Do you read a lot of books? He often reads a newspaper. She reads a lot of stories. To write. I sometimes write a letter. She writes very interesting stories for children. He writes books about cats. In our next video lesson, we will use these 6 verbs in short texts. Well, let's go! For you.